Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you all once again to our today's episode of this program. Now we, the Nation Voice, the voice where they reveal the secrets when it be said the government and the politician that they say the cover. And today we get this news for our table when it does say the dead body when it be said they buried yesterday for Abuja. Say no be President Buhari's chief of staff dead body when in name na Abba Kyari. Say the person when it be said they buried now one Mr. Dauda. This one now the word when it be say investigative journalist when it name now Kemi Ololuyo reveals. And this news reached our table April 19th, 2020. My people, the truth of the matter why be say we carry this news come not be because of say who they bury and who they not bury. Yes, it get a reason why it be say we carry this news come. I will beg una say make una dey patient with us. For the end, you now will understand exactly why we carry this news. And in case today na the first time when it be say the journalists of this channel be this, we say you are highly welcome. I beg do us a favor. You see that subscribe button, press on. And the small bell within near press am as well so that anytime we take upload a video again, you know go dey suffer to look for am. It will only come to you like a message. Our prayer always be say the same way when be say they support us on the channel. Now the same way when God with the same people when we support you for everything when it good when you put your hands to do. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. All right, my people, may we go straight to the details of this news. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, the make us understand say Nigerian investigative journalist when in name na Kemi Ololuyo, he claims say the burial rites when presidency claimed yesterday say they do for the late chief of staff to president when in name na Abba Kyari, say na arrangement to deceive Nigerians and the entire world. And again, they make us understand say this controversial new breaker, into say Abba Kyari, he died for Ikoyi for Lagos. And from that moment, the dead body they can dispose am. And but the time when they say that they do this one, say they not specify am. And still on top of the matter, Kemi, when it be this journalist so, he come for that review say the corpse which is the dead body, when it be say they bury, say na one Mr. Dauda, when it be say it be the inner carcass or if you call an aid for this laid Abba Kyari. And as we go deep again, he can tell say many Nigerians may they stop to the sender the video of one man when he be say he remove his clothes when he take cover for the cemetery when they take they bury this dead body yesterday. Now the video of the man now una they see for screen so. He can see for that talk say he be trained investigative journalist. Say he don't already tell Nigerians say Mr. Kyari say they fly and go Lagos and from there he die for Ikoyi. From there, they can deposit a dead body. Say no other affected body when it be say they carry go Abuja. And as we go deep again, it can say for point of correction, say the man are from Maduguri. Why it be say the Dauda so when it be the aid say na from Daura. He say waiting in they concerned about not pass the one when it be say they bury yesterday. Say na the Dauda na they bury yesterday. When it be say this disease is hold on for Daura, they can fly on from there to Abuja, where he for receive a quarantine. And after that moment, say they not hear from this man again. And also the 11 people when it be say this man come in contact with, say all of them die of flu symptoms. All right, my great and wonderful people. Now the news when it be say we receive from one Mr. Kemi, when it be journalist, when it be say he first of all review the secret behind this Abba Kyari death before they finally yesterday can open up. You know, first of all, when this woman first of all revealed this secret, say one a top aide for Aso Rock, say he don't pass away, but he will give the right to the presidency, made the announce by themselves. But from that moment to that of Friday when it be said they can finally announce the death of this man, nobody do something about him. Yes, I will really first of all congratulate the effort of this woman. This journalist when in name na Kemi. Yes, this one make us to understand again say not be every Nigerians when he really go school, not be he not know their duty, not be he not understand the purpose why they go school, why they hold that certificate. Yes, thank God for in life the investigation so far when it be say it don't break on answer, and the evidence when it be say it dey upon those the things when it be say it don't talk for the time past. And the reason why it be say we bring this news come out not pass be say, Kemi, you do well as we don't talk before. But another thing not pass be say, who die? Whether na Abba Kyari na in the bury yesterday or na one Mr. Dauda na the bury yesterday. That one not really be the thing when it be say Nigerians one they much concerned about. You know why I talk that word? Because it made mention of one thing during the process when it be say with the read say, make we Nigerians not allow ourselves to be fooled again because of say the man don't die for a long time and yesterday now they can bring another person come bury say now the person that they bury. The truth of the matter here, when I observe this thing, I sit down, I do my investigation, and I come to this very conclusion. Although my own view now fit dey different from every other person, wetin dey more important now say Abba Kyari say they not tell us say now say he still dey alive after your own investigation for the fact when you be say you bring come as a journalist. It maybe it take time before they come accept am. They not fit hold am again and they not fit change am again. Let's say because of say flights not come dey again, they not fit go London. Say me they go do another clone carry come say na Abba Kyari may still come dey assist the presidency for Isa Aso Rock there. Thank God. Now the God when he bring coronavirus na in be this one. Now the reason why be say we they say koro say na oga. My people are there make plan of verse. So who they bury yesterday now be that one be the most important thing. The most important thing now be say Kyari anywhere when you for hear Kia come out TK because in our spirit e not they come again. So if they like me they use the dead body of goats say na they even bury yesterday, e no concern us. So if they like say na cats na they gather yesterday come put for inside ground say na Kyari be that one, e concern them na their headache be that one. We Nigerians we no want they much concerned about. Yes, it dey good when maybe be say we dey accurate to things. The truth why would they talk this word not pass be say, I wish say the time when Buhari died for London, say na so they shut everywhere down. So that for no sit time take do clone. Sorry, therefore no sit time and may we call the debate whether this man they alive, whether na Jubri Asadani they Aso Rock and all this one. You understand me now? So if at all say after 5 years now they can't come back now say na Jubri Asadani say na they Aso Rock say they can't carry the animal come bury say na yesterday the man when they say we elect for 2015 died. No problem, everything still dey okay. You understand me? The time my people always talk and say the time when you be say you wake up now in be your money. You understand me? So it don't go. So that part don't they settle. Now waiting Nigerians want try to focus on now in be that one. So may we come they say now this one die. Why they not carrying a come more time say may they bury it concern us. That one if they like now their own shame be that one. Yes, now their own shame. Because my people also so they talk and say if a father, a man, when he get children, he die for foreign land, say the children not carry the dead body come back. Now the shame of the children. Time will come when it be say people will see the feel the user they love the children. Forget you when it be say father die for bush when it be say dead body no reach us. That one not the shame of the children. Not the shame to the family. Not be shame to Nigerians. So whether Dauda, if they even like say me they gather fowl yesterday, tie am for inside rubber, come put am for ground say na Kyari be that one. We accept am. The most important thing not pass be say the who don't go. We not dey happy say e don't go, but the most important thing when they make us dey happy say the evidence when you as a journalist this Kemiso carry come say na true. If all Nigerian journalists they go on research like this, they work on fact like this, I not believe say they fit they fool us as they fool us today. I believe say because you when it be the Kemiso, this journalist they fair review that secret for that first time. Now the reason why they say their body not relax again because they don't know now. Say people don't they aware of what they happen. Even whether they talk now, they not talk now. People don't already they aware. All ear don't open. Say person don't die for them. You understand me now? So now what is the important? Now it be that one. We no get time to come. They say they died yesterday or they died before yesterday or they died 2 weeks ago. Who don't go Nigeria. My people make una because my own view always they different. Our important issue here, not pass, we say the people when they trouble us, they not will get peace. Whether na Koboko they want to beat them more, I beat na Kelo. So far, something beat them, something must kill a man. So my people make una love verse. So something must kill a man. Either by chewing or by swallow. So whether na swallow, the grand swallow carry or say na vomit. The most important thing they say, make they understand. Make they get this wisdom say, nobody they bite dates. Money not be everything. Opportunity when you get na privilege. Use and well. So use and well. Everybody get rights to do anyhow. But the reason why the only one thing when it constrain everybody, now the fear of say waiting we will leave behind after we don't come out because this life when we do so now trading ground. Now trading ground. Now market now we day. Everybody must go house. No matter how market will busy rich by day. If night come, the market must be empty. Now so everybody day for you. If you like, acquire the most expensive Rolls Royce. Acquire the most expensive anything when money fit buy. When the time come, you go to this earth when we do so. If they like say 4 weeks ago, 4 months ago, say they no announce. He died that very time. They dispose the dead body for anywhere when he for die. Na die, na bury the burial. They come bury another one yesterday. So now death, you don't want that another one again. Now only waiting I see for there. Make una not verse the way when they say I take on with my own view. So I will leave una now. Make una see share una opinion with us for the comment section. As I leave una, make una watch this video.
With data, they are receiving no cover because they have brothers in abroad who are sending money to them. That is what she said yesterday. And if you have more than 5,000 naira in your bank account, you are getting nothing. You see what the Fulani woman telling you, a old Yoruba woman, and the money, this so-called money, they are all this money they are sharing come from the south. The royalties they get, the money they get from the waterways in the southern part of the country, and with the crude oil money from the Niger Delta, they are sharing it, giving them to the north. And Lagos is getting nothing. God will punish them from Buhari down to Tinubu. And the APC leaders, God will punish them one by one. This is the end of APC in Nigeria. We told them, Mama Aisha Diawolo wants Tinubu. Chief Ayodebajo wants Tinubu. He will never listen. And he has seen what the Fulani man can do to him now. He has never learned from history. The Fulanis, that is how they dethroned the whole, they made Afonja, they made him a useless man in Ilorin. Fulani took over Ilorin and they killed him. Ibrahim Taiwo, he was beheaded, a Yoruba man from Ogbomoso, he was beheaded in Fayewe, Kaduna. Chief Awolowo, that is how he was used and he was dumped. MK Abiola, that is how he was used. He was killed and his wife was also killed. Nothing happened. And the same thing will happen to Tinubu. The same thing, a worse thing will happen to Tinubu. I pray to God that God will spare us alive. Beyond 2023, Tinubu Tinubu, hey God Almighty made me. Good Tinubu will suffer. I know, but he will never get sympathy from anybody because he has been warned. That is why.